To crop a video in Filmora, add your video to the timeline and go right-click on the clip and select crop and zoom. You can adjust the crop by dragging corners and moving the crop around. I prefer to keep the original ratio because it will perfectly fit my project dimensions. When you're satisfied, click preview to see how it looks and hit OK. To zoom video or image, go to crop and zoom again and select pan and zoom. You can see two boxes that say start and end. These are your starting and ending points in the zoom process. Let's zoom into the face of a very happy dog. You can leave the start box to be as it is and select the end box and make it smaller and position it on the face. If you click preview, you will see the effect. You can easily revert it by clicking this little reverse icon here. Just remember that smaller box means harder zoom. To pan across the image or video, position start box and the end box as you want and click preview to see the pan effect. Make boxes the same size if you want to avoid unwanted additional zoom effects. And this is how you easily crop, pan and zoom in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.